I'm going to show you how to actually prevent your iPhone from auto-rotating. Just like, for example, you're now in this mode, and then you just tilt your phone like this, and then it actually goes, to this form. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to stop that from happening. Let's get started. Okay, now this is your iPhone, so I want you to swipe down on the right of your screen like this. You want to see this icon right here. Okay, so if you're in this mode right now, this display mode, that's the portrait mode. So you're in the portrait mode, you want to prevent this from going to landscape mode. You swipe up, swipe down, and then you see this. Okay, tap it, and then you're going to see portrait oriented mode lock on. So that means your screen is going to stay in portrait mode and will not rotate to the landscape mode. Okay, if you actually tap that, and then that means the screen is going to be locked in the portrait mode and won't go to landscape. Okay, so if you actually turn it off, you notice as you just make a small tilt and it actually goes to the landscape mode.